Good afternoon from northeast Montana. It's a rest area in the middle of nowhere. Pretty beautiful area actually. Very quiet. And luckily there's a full Verizon reception, which is pretty neat. Doesn't happen everywhere along the roads. Beautiful high country out here. Stop to take a little break, take a breather, and see what the area has to offer as far as natural beauty. Very laid back and quiet. Very enjoyable. So this is called Fort Musselshell. Yes, sightseeing, Grant. Trying to check out what's along the way. You got a long ways to go. I might be able to visit WTF Mike Albrecht again because I'm gonna be in the northeast corner, Sydney, Montana, which is basically on the edge of North Dakota again. So look at this beauty. Wide grasslands as far as the eyes can see. Wondering if I can spot any pronghorn out here. Let me flip this around. You don't need to see my ugly mug. Look at this. Little birds calling in the distance. Beautiful out here, Grant. I agree. Very, very beautiful. Vast, amazing. I like it a lot. I like the little signs they have here. They're talking about the history of this area and why the rocks are the way they are. So this is the Fort Musselshell, the mouth of the Musselshell River, about 35 miles north of here, was a remarkably active place in the 1860s and 1870s. Rocky Mountain Wagon Company built a log cabin and a stockade in 1866. The one I like the most is in the next one, the Kirchville City. So this one was the supply post for the mining camps. This was big before Alaska. This is the one I really liked. So Bear Paw Shale and the inland ocean. The black shale rocks seen in this area represent the muddy sediments deposited by the last ocean to exist in Montana. The shale, known by geologists as the Bear Paw Shale, contains fossils of seagoing creatures that lived and died some 70 million years ago. Somebody decided to cross the 70 million over. Like that's gonna change anything. 20-foot long swimming reptiles like Mosasaurus and Tylosaurus fed on fishes and ammonites relative to squids and octopi. The remains of the gigantic coiled ammonites called Placentasaurus, and the straight-shelled ammonites called baculites are often found in these shale deposits. This inland ocean extended north to south from the Gulf of Mexico to the Arctic Ocean. Hey Alex, how are you? Divided North America into two subcontinents. Dinosaurs roamed the lands, and alligators and turtles inhabited streams and rivers. But one of the largest animals to live in this area was a gigantic 40-foot-long crocodile called Deinosuchus that lived on the coastal waters of the inland seaway. The first remains of this animal were found near here. In the early 1900s, geologists learned that geological structures called anticlines, a kind of large wrinkle in the rock strata, were good places to drill for oil. Geologists also realized that certain parts of anticlines were better than others, and that the good spots were beneath structures they called domes. Here, at the Mosby Rest area, you are standing on a part of a Mosby Dome of the Cat Creek anticline.